Welcome to Auction version 4, the latest event management software tool from Auction Systems. This video is an explanation of the group guests activity in the event prep task. To get to the event prep area, click the event prep button on the Home Task ribbon. Auction version 4 allows you to group together individuals from different name records. One reason to do this is in preparation for assigning people to tables. Let's say several people who are purchasing their own tickets to the event request that they all sit together at the event. You may not be ready to assign tables at that time because you don't actually have any idea how many tables you will need, or you are unsure of the layout of the venue. You can put people in groups, and then when it's time to assign tables, you can see the group request of each individual and even sort by group requests to easily see who should be at the same table. To put individuals from different name records into groups, click Group Guests. In order to make changes to many name records all at once, if you have a license for Network Edition of Auction, you must click the Shared Access button and switch to Exclusive Access. If your license is for single user, you may skip this step. If you've not yet set up names of your groups, or need to add a new group to the list of available groups, or need to change the name of an existing group, you must click the Update Groups button. This will take you to the Event Management area of the Settings task on the main home page without leaving this Event Prep task that you're in right now. For an explanation of how to create groups, please see tutorial number 403, Event Management Settings, in the Settings series. This is the Group Guests screen. On the left side is a list of participants that are currently not in a group. This list will have been filtered for you by showing people who are attending with an entry and people attending without an entry. Of course, you can expand this list to include individuals whose attendance status is unknown or regrets, and of course you can limit the list to only one of these attendance states. The list has been further refined to show participants who are currently in no group, but you can change the refinement to participants marked as already being in a specific group by selecting that group from the pull-down, and you can add other refinements if you desire. On the right side of this screen, a pull-down is available so you can select a specific group, and if there are people already assigned to this selected group, they will populate the list below. There are a series of arrows between these two lists. The single right arrow will move a selected participant from the left list into the group on the right. The double right arrow will move every name in the list on the left into the group on the right. The single left arrow will move a selected individual on the right out of the group, and that individual will now be in the list of participants without a group on the left. The double left arrow will move everyone out of that group on the right into the list of participants on the left. Whenever you make any of these changes, the attendance panel in the name entry form for each affected participant will be updated to reflect the new group status. Thank you for joining us.